Hey guys, so welcome back to another video, and today we'll be installing a new power supply. Now by the time this video comes out, there'll be a previous video on us installing a Corsair 750 watt E, I believe. But what happened was I bought that from a seller. He claimed it was brand new, but obviously when I installed it, it wouldn't boot up. So I was given a broken PSU, so I had to go for a new PSU. The MAG A750GL gold rated, so it's quite good. Not as good as the Corsair, but it's quite good. So I completely forgot to make an intro, so I'm making an intro now. I'm halfway through installing it, and hopefully this video shows you how to install it and all the cables, but it's pretty much the same thing as the Corsair power supply. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's continue.